Take a look at here, Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Numbers matching, 350. Underneath the hood, paired up with 4-speed manual transmission, 2-owner car. And what I think one of the best things about this car is you just don't see a lot. 989 paint code, original war bonnet yellow. Take a look at the front chrome. Also equipped with power steering. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots where previous owners have, you know, touched up, just maybe a little rock chip here or there. One sign that it's definitely a well taken care of car. You can call in if you want to talk to a sales consultant at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures, engine bay, underside, interior, riding on the Firestone wide oval radials. Of course, the rally wheels, beauty ring, center caps. Great look on the C3s. Up and down the driver's side, you can see not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. 400 trim code, so black. Standard interior. There's your center console. 4-speed. Take a look at the rear chrome. Does come with the color-coded or color-matched T-tops, just so you know. I'll put a little trivia for our YouTube viewers out there. There's a keyhole right here. I highly doubt that opens a trunk. Put down in the comments what that keyhole was for. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look down the driver's side. A few touch-ups here. Very original looking car. That's the cool part about this. Original color, numbers matching engine, 2-owner car. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. Seating surfaces look good. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. There's a few things I want to show you on here too that are in working condition. So, of course, you have the fiber optics. Majority of the fiber optics are working on this car. Did notice one's missing on the left tail lamp. Blower fan is also working here. Blower fan works. I did not get the radio to work. Wiper door opens and closes as it should. Did not get the wipers to work. Previous owner said sell it the way it is. We'll reflect it in the price. He took it out only on nice days, so he wasn't real worried about that wiper. Throw a little Rain-X on that windshield in case you get caught in a little brief shower. Tachometer working. See, it starts right up, smooth runner. Headlights work great. Now, here's where you can check on some of those fiber optics as they show up too. And if we hit the blinkers, see that on the left side, right side, down here in the tail lamps, both on, up blinkers. So, like I said, majority of the fiber optics working. This light is a seat belt light, just so you know. Here's fuel gauge working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up unless the clock wasn't. Oil pressure looks good, battery good. Odometer reads 31,426, believed to be original. I cannot confirm or deny that because once it becomes a certain age as far as the age of the car. It's marked exempt on the title, but judging by this interior, exterior of the paint, and some of it's original, we'll look underneath the hood, check the undersides, see what you think. All right, close up the headlights. It does have newer mufflers on it, noticed in the rear. You can see that in the underside picks. Good sounding car, nothing over the top, nothing too loud. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Here's the hood open. Nice and tidy underneath the hood. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Smooth running car. Again, numbers matching, 350, power steering. Quiet, sounds good. Looking for a nice chrome bumper C3 you're not going to see every day, especially in this color. 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. And remember, 2-owner car, numbers matching, comes with that 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. Call them at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. Very period correct gold color with a black interior. This is a 4-speed with the shifter on the center console. Good acceleration in this Corvette. Our factory tachometer is working well, so is the speedometer. Fuel gauge is reading just over half. Oil pressure over 35. The battery is just on the positive side of 0. All good. The water temp gauge has not moved, it is on 100. I would have expected it to move by now. Our blower motor does also function. Smooth ride in this car. You feel the road as you should in a Corvette, but it's nice, smooth ride. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays perfectly straight in the road. Comfortable factory bucket seats. This is a T-top car, which is always great. Be able to remove those T-tops. Brakes are working great. Corners well, as every Corvette should. Very fun to drive that manual transmission. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.